Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a very different world of Goss technology where we see things just a little bit differently. Today we're going to give you an insight into the very latest Goss innovation, the Vpak web offset printing solution for packaging and converting applications. At our business core, we've always been innovators with many industry firsts, including, famously, Goss gapless sleeve blanket technology, which has underpinned Goss's success in high print quality, performance and uptime. This unrivaled knowledge of industrial offset and printing system integration has given Goss the expertise to develop a packaging system that is robust, practical, more productive and cost-effective for a wide range of applications, from folding and beverage carts to flexible packaging, preprint and labels. So, what can Vpak offer the packaging printer and converter? Variable repeat size, wide web width production, speed, higher print quality, short run and nested image capabilities, process automation, lower cost of production, proven reliability and uptime. Vpak is web offset for packaging, and the alternatives and the advantages will become increasingly apparent. Vpak presses are not restricted. Print improvements can be made on the fly. Unlike flexographies, what you see is what you get. Vpak presses deliver colour consistency and quality with sophisticated fine line screens. Vpak prints fine line tones as well as solids and screens on the same print unit. The inline web offset process provides for integrated finishing far more efficiently. Throughput is obviously increased over sheet fed configurations by the press running at higher speeds in conjunction with wide web widths. Web provides for the versatility of roll-to-roll configurations and roll-fed downstream operations. With Vpak, Goss offers its own closed-loop controls to maintain the print process. With the infinite range of repeat sizes available on the Vpak and the web throughput, Vpak becomes equally suited to managing both short and long-run requirements. The Vpak allows you to go wide, up to 1,905mm web widths. Plates are inexpensive compared to other processors. Nested image opportunities enable optimized layouts that save on the substrate, especially for beverage and carton production. Goss is also renowned as a system provider and are specialists in customizing systems to specific requirements. And that means that we can provide anything up to a fully integrated, productive turnkey packaging system with everything catered for. So, whatever your requirements, we can supply a system that is optimized for the appropriate substrates and for the finished product. From integrated inkjet there to our own flexo coated unit, or even configuring heat sets, UV and also EV. So, let's move over here to the Vpak 500. Although smaller in stature than its big brother over there, the Vpak 500 does, if you pardon the pun, pack a real punch. I'm going to ask Mike now, our press man for the day, to give us a quick demo of just how easy it is to change repeat sizes. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to time him and see if he can break his record again. He broke it this morning, so we're going to do it again. Come on, Mike. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go, Mike. And turn it round. Come on, Mike. 41 seconds. Come on. So, from a simple instruction made here on the Omnicom console, Mike has initiated an automatic launch sequence, which in simple terms separates the unit cylinder set. The cylinders are now fully open, and the adapter sleeve change is now underway, as you can see. It's now easy for Mike to slide the new size plate and the blanket adapter sleeve on and then off the press management. Plate cylinders, followed then by blanket cylinders. And once the cylinder end caps are closed, the instruction is then given to reset the cylinder position to the new size. So although you can see that there's a physical difference between the 500 here and the 3000 here. The web width of the 500 is 850 millimeters, and the 3000, 1625 millimeters. Looking at this chart here, you can see the comparison of minimum to maximum width there, and minimum to maximum repeat there, and then also your unit design speed there. So, Mike was very quick there, wasn't he, gentlemen? Let's have a look. What did I say? Below 41, didn't I? Below 41 seconds. 40.6 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. Can we have a round of applause for Mike, please? Round of applause for Mike. He's done it. What a man, what a hit. Okay. So, here we are, the Vpak 3000. This press represents a game-changing wide web option for packaging and converting applications. And perhaps, ladies and gentlemen, an even bigger punch. So Mike is joined by Steve. Good afternoon, Steve. Should we crack on, gentlemen? Okay. So just like the 500, the cylinder change is initiated from the touchscreen here. And pretty much everything is on a larger scale here, ladies and gentlemen, but the principle and operation is almost identical. And this remains fixed throughout the whole change process. And what happens, just like the 500 operation, is that both the impression and blanket cylinders are automatically lowering into an open position. And with the use of smart motor technology on the 3000, the pulp rollers above retract away or toward the plate cylinder, obviously depending on whether the changeover is from large to small or vice versa. So, what the chaps are doing now is they're using this special docking arm to manoeuvre the cylinder here. Actually, this whole operation can be executed by one press operator, but because Mike and Steve are basically joined at the hip, they're doing it together for today. So that's the small sleeve now, slid onto the docking arm there, and they're taking it up to the Vpak, locking it onto the mandrel in the press itself, making sure that it's level, and then Steve very simply and easily slides the new sleeve into the press there. This also, gentlemen, really shows the difference in cylinder sizes. Thank you, chaps. So producing speeds of up to 457 meters per minute. This incredible press brings an entirely new concept to web offset packaging, as it can accommodate a range of web widths from 1120 to a massive 1905 millimeters. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to do a blanket change. No big time consuming deal here, gentlemen. The change literally takes seconds. Air pressure is used to expand the sleeve, like so, and the blanket sleeve slips easily on, off, on and off. Thank you, Mike. So looking at the Vpak unit design itself, it has interchangeable sleeve adapters for infinitely variable repeats. The cylinders are all servo driven, and the plate to blanket impression squeeze control resets automatically, adjusting to the various repeat sizes and substrate thicknesses to be run. Another important point to mention, ladies and gentlemen, is image length correction, which is imperative within flexible film applications. With the Vpak, image length can be adjusted on the run, thereby compensating for any snapback or any die lag. Adjustments to the force-loaded cylinder stack configuration can adapt to the different substrate thicknesses on various production jobs, with just a touch to the operator console here, so therefore no need for blanket packing. We've also introduced a tension management system to ensure for perfect accuracy. For what we see so far, the Vpak undeniably delivers fast, variable repeat size changes in minutes. Goss Vpak technology, a high-performance web offset solution that makes it fast and easy to optimize the repeat size to the product requirements. So Mike and Steve have just finished there, so can we have a round of applause for Mike and Steve, please? A round of applause, thanks. So that now concludes the live demonstration part of our variable repeat Vpak web offset technology. I trust that it has been informative, and I will now leave you with a thought. Don't be a slave to conformity. Packaging and converting requirements are always changing. Brand owners want better quality. They demand faster turnaround time. You need lower cost to produce. Someday Vpak technology delivers the capabilities to better serve existing customers and expand into a broader and more varied client base with confidence. Goss Vpak will open a door to new levels of quality, performance and cost effectiveness for a multitude of substrates, from paper to pre-printed liners, paperboard and film. Well, it all depends on your own requirements. A new way forward, a game-changing press, a way to see packaging differently. Well, many thanks for your kind attention, everybody, and please feel free to take a closer look if you wish. And also, we've got some samples for you to look at as well if you haven't seen them already. Thank you very much. Cheers.